Hello friends, today I want to show you one of my favorite rib stitches, slip rib stitch. We will cast on number of stitches multiple plus 2 border stitch. If you are making a rib for a project, you need to knit in rounds. I do not count border stitches. If you do something like a flat knitting project, you will need border stitches, 2 border stitches to make your borders straight and neat. So for this tutorial I'm doing I'm casting 14 stitches using long tail cast technique. So let's begin our first row. The first stitch is border stitch, and so we slip it without working as if we will knit it. Then we knit and purl, and we continue doing this combination of stitches till the end of the row. Knit, purl till you arrive to the end. And the last stitch we purl, so it is our border stitch. Now we turn to the wrong side, and here where it is the difference, so we knit all the stitches, knit stitches on your needle, and the purl stitches we just slip it, leaving the strand of on the front. Then we knit again. Basically, like any rib stitch, you knit the knit stitches on your needle and purl stitches. But in this case, we will knit stitches and slip purl stitches, leaving the strand on the front. So we continue like this, slipping the purl stitches and knitting knit stitches till you arrive to the end. And again we purl our last stitch, so our second row is finished. Now we turn to the right side and start our third row. We slip our first border stitch as before, and we knit, opening a little bit our knit stitch from the front and purl the purl stitch. So as you can see, we open the knit stitch on the front and continue working like this till the end of the row. Then again we purl our last stitch, and basically you continue working like this. On the right side you knit and purl stitches, on the wrong side you knit stitches and slip purl stitches as we did before. So we repeat: knit stitch, slip purl stitch, leaving the strand on the front, knit and slip till the end of the row. And on the right side you continue to knit and purl stitches normally. And in this slip stitch I like it because the knit stitches are having the nice prolonged shape. As you can see, they are more prolonged than in normal knit stitches. In this rib stitch pattern, the count of your knit stitches on the right side will be half of the rows count. For example, if you do 8 rows, you will see only 4 knit stitches on the right side of your work. So consider it these numbers when you choose how many rows of the rib slip stitch to make for your work. So as you can see, It's really very nice and neat knitting stitches even without blocking, and it looks really nice. Thank you for watching, and follow my channel for more inspiration and for more tutorials.